Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna give you guys the Lhanel Fits Pilates Performer Board review. As you can see, it has only one review and that is a 1-star. So right off the bat, it's a bit of red flag. Another thing about this is that there is a lack of contact information. So if you do face any issue, you cannot talk to this. And then this is also registered through Shopify, which means that there could be a drop shipping issue here, which means that maybe this is something like a rip off from like a Chinese brand and that person is using it to drop ship it to you. Now, while you can use it for like simple work at your home, like it is a multifunction resistance band, you can do like push-ups, things like that, but those can also be done normally. But yeah, there is no much negative review about this apart from it being maybe it's a rip-off. But honestly, if this is the last option, you can go for it. Otherwise, I would say maybe go to your local gym, ask them if they have any better product and try to get that directly from there instead of buying these from the internet. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.